Hey everyone! Today I'm taking a close, honest look at the Ekubyka $8,000 dual motor electric bike and whether it's actually worth your money. Right off the bat, this thing is powerful. The dual motor setup gives it serious torque, making hills feel almost effortless, and acceleration is surprisingly fast for an e-bike in this price range. On flat roads, it cruises comfortably at high speeds, but you'll definitely want to respect that power. Battery life is decent, though if you're riding in full power mode, expect it to drain faster than advertised. Build quality feels solid overall, with a sturdy frame and thick tires that handle rough roads pretty well. However, it's not perfect. It's heavy, charging takes a while, and it may be overkill if you just need a casual commuter bike. So, is it worth it? If you want raw power and off-road capability, absolutely. But for everyday city riding, there are lighter, more efficient options. Let me know in the comments if you'd buy this bike or want a full real-world test ride review next. Guys below, thanks for watching everyone.